Today, we are talking about what happens when Chicago industries cannot afford downtime, yet internal teams are stretched thin. Manufacturing lines, healthcare systems, and financial platforms all depend on technology that must work without hesitation. That challenge is growing, especially with projections showing that 90% of organizations will be negatively impacted by the IT skills shortage by 2026. Managed IT becomes the stabilizing layer that keeps operations predictable when capacity is tight. Matt Elias, Chief Operating Officer at Outsourced Solutions Group, says, "Stability is not created by talent alone, but by structure that holds when talent is stretched." In healthcare, managed IT supports continuity for clinical workflows. In fast-growing technology firms, it adds discipline to purchasing, security checks, and system governance. In financial services, it reinforces reliable operations. In manufacturing, it helps prevent downtime from cascading into missed shipments. The common thread is simple: repeatable processes, proactive monitoring, and clearer accountability. For the full breakdown, read the entire article on our website and add this to your Spotify playlist.